In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a pie chart in Google Docs. Now, pie charts are a fantastic way to visually represent data, and doing this in Google Docs is surprisingly simple once you know the steps. Let's dive right in and make your data pop. First, you'll want to begin by highlighting the cells that contain the data you aim to visualize. It's crucial to select only the cells that are key to your chart, since these numbers will be represented in the slices of your pie chart. So, spend a moment ensuring it's just right. The numbers, the headers, everything that needs to be included should be carefully selected. This attention to detail will make sure your chart accurately reflects the data you're working with. Once your data is highlighted, look at the top of your screen and find the Insert option in the menu bar. This feature is the gateway to adding elements like charts, images, and more into your document. Click on Insert and you'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, you need to find and click on Chart. Here, you're presented with several chart options, like bar, column, or line charts. But today, we're focusing on the pie chart. Hover over the pie chart option to reveal the styles you can choose. Pie charts come in a variety of styles: classic, 3D, exploded, and so forth. Choose the version that best suits your document's aesthetic or the one you feel conveys your data most effectively. A simple click on your preferred style will insert the pie chart directly into your Google Doc. Now, there's a good chance you'll want to tweak the chart to customize it further, perhaps to match your report's theme or to highlight specific data. To modify your chart, simply click on the chart itself. A small drop-down arrow or edit button will appear, usually in the top corner, which provides options to customize colors, fonts, and labels. Tailor each slice with different colors or adjust font sizes for better readability. This is your opportunity to make the chart not only informative but visually appealing. Lastly, double-check your work to confirm that the data depicted is accurate. Compare the chart against the original data, making sure all figures and labels align. If everything looks good, you've just successfully added a pie chart to your document. It's an efficient way to showcase information, and it's so gratifying to see your data visualized beautifully. And that wraps up our guide on inserting a pie chart in Google Docs. Hopefully, these steps help transform your documents into vivid displays of your hard work. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!